Buenos días.
Ngaramutse.
صباح wanaagsan.
Amakur.
صباح الخير.
Habari za asubuhi.
Good morning, and welcome to the Newburgh News. We are a diverse group of people working towards a common goal of every student being successful.
Bringing you the news from New Orleans. The first Mardi Gras parade in New Orleans was held in 1838. Different parades are held in neighborhoods throughout the city.
91 years ago today, President Hoover signed a law making the Star-Spangled Banner the national anthem.
Did you hear about that new game that came out? It's fire. It's so fun.
Hey, I made this joke, bro, and it's fire. Like, look at it, bro. Look at it.
I bet it's terrible.
You're lame.
If you want to go to the pep rally at the end of this month, make sure you have logged 400 focused MobiMax minutes.
8th graders have been working hard on their backpack. Let's look at Trenton's backpack that he has been thinking about since 6th grade.
Hello, my name is Trenton. This is what I looked like in 6th grade. I will now invite my 8th grade self to come in and tell you about my backpack defense.
Hello, 6th grade me. Thanks for the introduction, and boy, have I grown.
My name is Ashley Elmore. For Tech Tip, I will show you how to fix possible internet issues and problems. First, you want to go to Settings. Then you want to go to Wi-Fi. Then you want to go to the Wi-Fi you are on and to the Information button. Click the private address if it's on, turn it off, press Continue. And then just repeat this step for the other Wi-Fi that you could join for JCPS. And then after that, go to Chrome, type Apple, and it should work.
I'm Maya, and I'm here today with
Miss Purdue.
And for your teacher versus student topic, it's really easy.
Okay.
It's animals.
Oh, okay.
All right, 15 seconds on the clock. You ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Dogs, cats, hamsters, cheetahs, tigers, sloths, lions, bears, birds, bugs, ants, cockroaches. Oh man, it's animals. Okay.
Time. That was pretty. Back here with
Zion.
And the topic is animals. Pretty easy. So, 15 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1.
Cougar, jaguar, cat, dog, cheetah, koala. Oh my god. Panda, polar bear.
Time. You did pretty good though.
Miss Fossett won the Excel Award. The Excel Award is like making it into the Teacher Hall of Fame.
1, 2, and ready, go.
Miss Lisa Fossett won the Excel Award because she is dedicated not only to Newburgh Middle School, but to the students and families. She loves students, she loves music, and she enjoys helping students develop a love and a passion for music. I am grateful to have worked alongside Miss Fossett for over 20 years. She is an amazing teacher, she is an amazing person, and I am grateful that she is a part of our Newburgh family.
As a teacher who's not taught as long as she always has great advice for me, answers any questions I have, and just gives great life advice in general.
When I hear the name Lisa Fossett, a smile comes to my face because she is a colleague who is so compassionate, very intentional about the work she does as she focuses on showing all of our kids how beautiful music can be in their lives. She's a dynamic orchestra director who has built an amazing program at Newburgh Middle School. You are a product of JCPS, and you give back every day the brilliance within your mind about music.
I would not have survived without her my first few years of school. She was my K-TIP resource teacher, and we survived that, and she is so helpful. I ask her for help and advice all the time, and I'm so thankful that she's always there whenever I need her, and she's great with our students, and she works hard and goes above and beyond all the time.
Miss Fossett is a teacher who changes lives. I have seen the way in which she's cultivated or brought out the best in students that are lost and in dark places. She also does that for the greater community. She is a teacher of teachers and has helped me become a better teacher and a better person.
What kind of friend is she? Miss Fossett is the kind of person who will let you steal a bag of Cheez-Its out of her room when you forget your lunch burrito again every single day. She'll bring in a 5-course meal for your birthday that she cooked on a weekday. She'll text colleagues for hours about Hallmark movies, then learn everything she can about your favorite football team so you don't feel left out of the group chat. Thank you, Lisa, for making Newburgh a compassionate, caring place. Your leadership means a lot to a lot of people, and when I remember what you said about feeling called to teach here at Newburgh, I can't think of a more deserving person to win the Excel Award.
Nicely done, ladies and gentlemen.
My name is Ashlyn Elmore, and as a secondary tech tip, I will teach you how to use the app Object Viewer. First, you want to go to self-service and make sure you have it downloaded. Just scroll down a little bit. It should be right here, Merge Object Viewer. Make sure you have it installed. If you have it installed, just click on it like this. It's going to ask to access your camera, so just say yes. And you can choose which one you want to look at first. So if I press human anatomy, I can look at all the different types of anatomy. So if we look at the human ear anatomy, for example, we can turn on and off labels down here. We can learn more information about it like this. And down here. And it can read it to you. You can add it to your collection. And then just view the object three-dimensional. You can also check out other things like ancient Egypt, learn about all the different types of things they have there, browse from objects, collections to code search to recents, your favorites, your downloads, uploads. You can sign in, and you can also use a merge cube, which you can find in the library if you want to experiment with it a little bit, which we will have a separate video on that for Newscast, but this is just the basics of Object Finder. It's a cool way to VR creations if you're in computer and you're making your own VR worlds. So, yeah.
Bringing you the news from Tiger Tech Team.